The trial has opened and been adjourned of 6 Romanians accused of carrying out the dramatic theft of 7 famous artworks from a Dutch museum. The court in Bucharest suspended the hearings until 10 September to allow time for several legal issues to be examined, the AFP news agency reports. The masterpieces, by Picasso, Gauguin and Monet among others, were stolen in under 3 minutes from Rotterdam's Kunsthal Museum last October. It is feared some have been destroyed. The remains of paint, canvas and nails consistent with those of the famous works were found in the oven of Olga Dogaru, mother of chief suspect Radu Dogaru, at her Romanian home in February. However, the experts have so far refused to say definitively whether or not the burned remains were from the 7 stolen paintings. Lawyers for the defendants, one of whom is on the run and being tried in absentia, said on Tuesday that they had offered to make a deal with prosecutors. Radu Dogaru's lawyer, Catalan said he had offered to return 5 of the works in return for being tried in the Netherlands instead of Romania, the AFP reports. There was no mention of the 2 other missing paintings. The court is also considering their requests for bail. The works, valued at between 100 meters and 200 meters euros, $130 and $260 million, £86 and £172 were taken from the museum through a back entrance in last October's pre-dawn heist. The missing works included Monet's Waterloo Bridge, Picasso's Harlequin Head, Matisse's Reading Girl in White and Yellow and Lucian Freud's Woman with Eyes Closed. It was the Netherlands' biggest art theft since 20 works disappeared from Amsterdam's Van Gogh Museum in 1991. The paintings came to light some months later when Mariana Dragou, an art expert at Romania's National Art Museum, was asked by a friend to examine some artworks he was planning to buy. She said she called the prosecutor's office when she realized she was looking at the stolen originals. A few months later, 3 Romanian men were arrested on suspicion of involvement, including Radu Dogaru. It was following her son's arrest that Mrs. Dogaru allegedly burned the artworks at her home in the village of Carcaliu, in the Danube Delta region of eastern Romania. She is said to have confessed to torching the paintings, but later retracted her statement.